3 excellent benefits of modern windows for your house. Dear friends, modern windows are an excellent investment in your home and something that you should definitely consider if you are building a new home or replacing your old windows. There are many benefits of modern windows. Having a professional install these windows for you will give you excellent results that you will be very pleased with. These windows come with so many amazing benefits, and 3 of these benefits will be discussed here. They make your home safer. One awesome reason to install modern windows on your home is to increase your home's security. Modern windows are made to be incredibly safe and are designed to be structurally sound. The windows themselves are made with thick, strong glass that is double pane. This makes it very difficult for the window to be broken. The locks on the windows are also very secure and incredibly difficult to break. They increase your home's value. Another reason to install modern windows on your home is to increase your home's value. Modern windows increase your home's value because they are worth more than older windows and also look a lot more aesthetically pleasing. This helps you to build more equity in your home and puts you in a good position if you ever need to sell your home. They can reduce your energy costs. Lastly, when you choose to go with modern windows, you can reduce your overall energy costs. This is because the modern windows are double pane and made of energy-efficient glass. This helps to stop the transfer of hot or cold air from the outside of your home to the inside, or vice versa. This means that you aren't using extra energy to heat or cool your home, which can save you a great deal of money over time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.